Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're unboxing a few more models. Well, two models and a pair of socks, believe it or not. Yes, I've got my scissors here, and from Aircraft Mall Store came with a delay of approximately a few weeks. I ordered it in October, if you know. Okay, so I will now unbox this, and I'll see you when the box is out of the way. Okay, so the tape is out of the way. Now, here is the opening. Here. And here we have it. Here is a Herpa Austrian Airlines Boeing 767. And we have another one here. Here we have a 12250 Emirates A380 in a special United for Wildlife livery. And here we have a pair of socks. Okay, so we'll start the unboxing with this Austrian Airlines Boeing 767-300ER. So, first with a tour of the box, here we have Herpa Snap Fit, Menu Tora Modelle, Herpa. Now, this is pretty much on every, back of the Herpa Snap Fit. Yeah, so that's normal. Nothing too unusual, if I do have to say so myself. And yeah, so that's the box, and I'm gonna get my scissors here, and oh wait, I don't need scissors. Okay, so on to the unboxing. Okay, so here we have it. Oh, we have tape. Here come the scissors. Wait, what? Okay, so the box is out of the way, and this is how it looks like precisely. You have the stand, you have the elevators, you have the rudder, and you have the main fuselage and the two wings. Let's take them, please. Oh wait, there's tape. I need to look where there's tape and where there isn't, seriously. Just rip the tape. No? Please? Damn, Herpa has some good tape. Okay. Yeah, so these are the parts. This is odd. So is this. Yeah, so these are the parts. So here we have the main fuselage, Austrian Airlines, pretty nice. Here's the rudder of the Austrian Airlines, and here is the left wing, and here's the right wing. And here is the stand and the elevators. So as usual, let's start with the stand. We have the Austrian Airlines Boeing 767-300ER, and Herpa stands are really easy to put on. Just slide it like so and just pull it back. So here's a stand, pretty usually normal. And now onto the model. So the main fuselage. So we'll start with the elevators. We'll just push them through here. I need help. Okay, let's start with the wings. Okay, so let's go with the left wing. Okay, left wing is on. Now the right wing. Okay, so that's how it looks like right now with no tail and elevators. Is it like this or is it the other way? No, I think it's the other way. Yeah. I can't believe I don't even know where the rudder goes. Okay. I'll have to figure this out, so see you in a minute. So here's the model. Now let's have a look in detail. So here is the cockpit windows. We have the Star Alliance logo, and the name of the plane is Thailand. You can't see it, but I see it from here. Here is the logo of the Austrian Airlines, operated by Tyrolean. And down here we have the registration, which is Oscar Echo Lima Alpha Tango, and here's the tail rudder, and pretty much the same thing on the other side. yeah, so let's put it on the stand. Let's put it on the stand. So, guys, this is the final picture. This is Austrian Airlines 767, and yeah, overall this is a great model. This costs around €22 on Aircraft Model Store, and yeah, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Pretty good, and apart from the elevators and the stand being a pain to put on, other than that, it's a great model. Love delivery, love the material. Great material for a €22 model. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.